Welcome to a realm where ambition meets unparalleled engineering, where raw power
From conceptual blueprint to intricate wireframe, the Urus takes shape. Its intricate wireframe gives way to a detailed internal view, a testament to pure Italian craftsmanship. As the holographic shell forms around the carbon fiber monocoque, the robotic arms meticulously integrate. This is not just an SUV, it is a super SUV, where luxury meets unmatched. The Lamborghini Urus redefines its segment, a benchmark of power, luxury, and meticulous engineering. The Lamborghini Urus redefines its segment, a benchmark of power, luxury, and meticulous engineering. Welcome to the future of automotive manufacturing. Here, the Urus chassis undergoes
In this hyper-realistic environment, the Urus chassis is meticulously analyzed. The robotic arm performs
utilizing a lightweight aluminum space frame. The assembly demonstrates unparalleled precision manufacturing.
The foundation of the Urus is its exceptionally rigid and lightweight chassis, a marvel of advanced material science. Each weld is a testament to structural integrity, ensuring unmatched rigidity and safety for every journey.
Beyond welding, structural adhesives, precisely applied by robotic arms, bond components at a molecular.
As the laser sweeps the chassis, real-time data confirms 99.98% accuracy.
The assembly line robots meticulously verify every component, ensuring unparalleled structural integrity.
As the adaptive chassis is secured, the system verifies structural integrity, ensuring flawless integration into the Urus frame.
Chassis, rendered here in a transparent wireframe, receives the front subframe, secured with millimeter precision by the assembly robot.
This sturdy foundation is pivotal, precisely engineered to support the Urus's dynamic performance, preparing it for the This chassis, a marvel of engineering, is now primed to deliver the dynamic performance.
Laser measurement systems scan every millimeter, ensuring absolute accuracy, a testament to our unwavering commitment to perfection.
This allows us to verify every hidden mounting point, confirming structural integrity down to
Advanced manufacturing techniques orchestrate every attachment, ensuring each component perfectly integrates to form an unbreakable framework.
Behold, the very heart of the Urus, the twin-turbo V8 engine, a masterpiece of This formidable V8 is engineered to unleash 650 horsepower, delivering a raw,
The twin turbochargers are key to this raw power, force-feeding the engine with compressed air, ensuring
This formidable V8 engine, boasting an astonishing 650 horsepower, is the true heart of
the intricate network secured.
This hyper-realistic view highlights the seamless powertrain integration, a testament to advanced manufacturing. Watch as the driveshaft integrates with the differential. The schematic lines highlight the precise and efficient transfer of power throughout the drivetrain.
Hundreds of sensors constantly monitor every facet of the engine's operation, providing The assembly line utilizes advanced robotics for precision diagnostics. As the scanner moves across the The exhaust manifold, a sculpture of efficiency, is designed not just for sound, but for optimal gain. The final electrical harnesses are meticulously connected, establishing the nervous system of the Urus.
With its powerful heart beating strong, the Urus chassis is now a complete rolling chassis, primed and ready.
With its powerful heart beating strong, the Urus chassis is now a complete rolling chassis.
This is the very heart of the Urus's power, meticulously assembled and integrated, making it
As the Urus glides along the line, our sophisticated robotic systems perform structural integrity checks with pinpoint accuracy. Utilizing advanced X-ray and wireframe overlays, we monitor the chassis in real time. The robotic arm The Urus utilizes an advanced aluminum space frame for optimal performance. Every inch of the Urus cabin is a testament to unparalleled luxury, with exquisite materials and bespoke options. Our commitment to comfort is evident in the meticulously engineered ergonomic seating, designed to offer support.
orbital camera reveals the intricate anatomy of the Urus cockpit, highlighting the fusion of premium materials and cutting-edge technology. The customizable digital instrument cluster offers intuitive control and crystal clear information, adapting to every driving scenario.
Here we see the multi-axis roboticing tool.
Step inside, and the Urus reveals a sanctuary of space and comfort, meticulously designed for both driver and passengers.
Utilizing our advanced robotic gantries, the chassis moves to final verification.
As the robotic arms finalize the cabin structure, the transparent shell gives way to the opulent interior.
The advanced lightweight chassis glides seamlessly into the assembly line. Our precision laser alignment system
The journey begins with a meticulous automated base coat application, ensuring perfect adhesion and a uniform canvas for the layers to come.
The process utilizes high-intensity UV radiation to rapidly polymerize the paint. This technique
The meticulous panel fitting process ensures not only a flawless aesthetic, but also contributes significantly.
The aggressive aerodynamic design isn't just for aesthetics. It's engineered to optimize airflow, providing superior.
The meticulous panel gap alignment and rigorous quality checks ensure every Urus meets our exacting standards.
Every panel gap undergoes meticulous scrutiny, ensuring millimeter-perfect alignment, a testament to Beyond physical inspection, the Urus undergoes exhaustive quality control protocols, including
This rigorous quality control culminates in precise checks, like wheel alignment, where laser accuracy ensures.
The precision grippers finalize the chassis alignment before the Urus moves to the dynamic test bench.
we see the precision engineering of the twin exhaust system. The heat mapping highlights the efficiency of the active valve control.
Utilizing advanced automation, the assembly sequence begins. Precision film application is followed by the high-speed polishing.
Beyond raw power, every Urus possesses a unique sound signature, a carefully engineered...
The final quality check confirms structural integrity. With all data processed, the vehicle is officially certified. Here it stands, the completed Lamborghini Urus, a masterwork of it.